Welcome to the new project, Project Banana. I'm calling this one because it's in the shape of a banana almost, being curved, and it's such a complex design. So let me show you the steel structure that's been formed by others. So as you can see, very unique radial steels that have been curved. Yeah, super excited to get involved with this one. There's posi joists going in for the first floor with ply deck. Same for the roof, flat roof, posi joists to form that. So first port of call, we're going to be bolting timbers in the webs of the steels and laser leveling the hangers, getting everything set out. So yeah, stay tuned for this one.